What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to this week's Emeroy TV tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed last week. We went over how to tick. This week, we're going to get into some tuts. Alright? Tutting is very aesthetically pleasing. It takes a lot of work as far as getting the angles down, but once you get it, it's going to be one of those power move crowd pleasers that you can do. Alright? So I'm going to teach you 3 basic exercises that I was taught when I was first getting started into tutting, and hopefully you can learn that, expand on that, and make it your own. Alright? So the first thing you want to imagine is that there's a box from your shoulders and goes down to your hips. Alright? And then within these boxes there's like this cross, and there are 4 quadrants. Alright? And then we're just going to basically outline these quadrants with our tuts. So with tuts, in my opinion, it's all about these 90-degree angles, right? From here. And how you get this 90 degrees is through stretching. There's a couple stretches you can do. To get this angle in particular, what you want to do is put your thumb in, wrap your hand around your thumb, bring it down here, and with your other hand, you want to grab it and do this super slowly. You don't want to hurt yourself. And you want to slowly pull this wrist up, alright, until you can feel it. And that's going to get that angle right for you. Alright, and then other side, tuck the thumb in, wrap it around, face it down. Other hand, you're going to pull it so your wrist kind of goes like this, and you're going to pull it upwards, like that. Right? So that's to get this angle down. Really important, you want to tuck your thumb in. So what I like to imagine is, and even me, like sometimes I get caught doing the little duck hand, but what I want to imagine is this knuckle right here by your first finger, tuck your thumb and connect it to that knuckle. Don't move from there, alright? So here. Now, to get this angle right, what you want to do is you want to go to a wall and just put your hand on the wall, right? And then from your wrist and this whole arm, slowly go upwards, right? And you're going to feel that stretch. And then once you're good with that, you're going to flip your hand over, and then with your shoulder, slowly go downwards, right? Do that for 5 minutes a day. Each hand, you'll be solid. And then if you don't have a wall and you're on the go, you can just take your hands together and go downwards like this. Or do the reverse, put your hands together and then go upwards like this. So I'm going up like that, all right? And then you're going to get these angles pretty solid. Even mine is not perfect, all right? But back to the quadrants. So we have these quadrants here. We're going to hit this angle here, and then this angle, we're going to hit it here. Notice that my elbow is tucked into my body. From here, this is kind of where my heart is, right? And then there's 90 degrees throughout. There's a 90 degree here. There's a 90 degree here. And then if there was something here, this would be a perfect box, right? So all we're going to do is we're going to take this box, we're going to straighten our arm down so that way it hits this bottom quadrant. So it goes from quadrant A to quadrant B, right? When we're doing that at the same exact time, with this hand, we're just going to flip it to quadrant B. And if you do it together, you're taking this box and then you're going down like this, right? Second step, we're going to shift the box to the left. Or I guess it would be your right, right? So we're going to go here. Basically, this hand is going to be doing what this hand is doing in reverse. So we're going to go boom, and then with this hand, boom. But we're going to do it at the same time, all right? So 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. So now we have a box here. If there was something here, this would be a perfect box, right? And then from here, we're going to lift it up to here again, elbows tucked in, connected to my body. And then this was basically where this hand was from the first position, right? And then you just flip from side to side, right? Let's do that again very slowly. Quadrant A, boom. Quadrant B, boom. C, boom. D, boom. Right? Again, 5, 6, 7, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Again, if that was too fast for you, you didn't get it, feel free to rewind this video, and then once you're ready, we can move forward. So let's do that a little bit faster, all right? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just practice this over and over and over again, right? This is going to be combination 1. Combination 2 is the exact same thing, except this hand is going to be flipped in reverse. So we know here, boom, right? It's kind of like doing this. Have you guys ever did this as a kid, right? So we're here. When this arm goes down, just like the first combo, the only difference is this is going to flip upwards. Boom. So you kind of have this little trippy rectangle going on from these two quadrants combined, right? So you have this little rectangle. Boom, boom. 1, 2, A, B, A, B, right? And then the difference is from here, rather than going from this quadrant to this quadrant, we're going to go from this quadrant to this quadrant. So you're kind of going to make this X shape as we're doing the exercise, right? So rather than making a square, like combination number 1, we're going to make an X. So from here, we're going to go down, boom, we're going to cross that X, and this hand is going to make the box, and then this hand is going to make the outline, right? So we're basically in the reverse position of where we started. And then from here, my left hand is going to go down, and then this hand is going to flip upwards, right? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. All right? So let's just try those 3 steps real quick before we move on. So start at this position, position A. Go to position B. Boom. Position C, we're going to cross that X. Boom. Position D, we're going to flip it back down. Boom. Now to get back to position A, we're going to cross this way. And then your right hand is going to go to its original position, and then this one's going to make the outline. Boom. All right? So let's try it very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's going to be combination number 2. Now we're going to go into combo number 3. This one, in my opinion, is a little bit easier because your arms are kind of doing the same thing. You're not doing this type of thing anymore. It's a little bit more syncopated, right? So we're going to start with our right hand outlining quadrant A. Our left hand is going to outline quadrant C. If we had A, B, C, D, right? Boom, like that. And all we're going to do here is flip. Bam, right? Bring it back. Bam, bring it back. Bam, bam. Now in between those things, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the middle cross section. From here, this is going to go here, and then this hand is going to go here. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, very slow. 1. And then from here, all you're going to do is flip it. Boom, boom. All right, same time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. All right, from the top, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, right? And then from here, we're going to finish it off. You're basically going to finish this flip from here. 5, 6, 7, flip it out, boom. All right? So you're going to start from the beginning, middle, flip, out, return. So we're going to try that combination 3 really, really slowly. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, restart. 1, 2, 3, little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, if you really, really want to push yourself, we're going to do it in reverse. So, we're going to start lifting this arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's combination number 3. Alright, so now that you learned all 3 combos, we're going to start with 1, then move on to 2, then move on to 3. Go a little bit faster, and then I'm going to do a couple variations so that way you can play with it. Alright, so 5, 6, real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Combo number 2 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Combo number 3, very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to show you how to combine it and how you can play with it, alright? Alright, so play with that, have fun with it. Once you go here, you can expand your tuts to out here and do all these crazy things. But get this down, get these 90 degrees down, and remember to stretch.